from our comfort zone and we are doing something, even though we fear of this word failure. We fear failure. So what's your take on, do you have anything to share, like kind of stories, because you always recite story?
Mm. There are so many good stories, and they like great personalities. If we are reading their, their lifestyle, their journey, then we observe they had faced a lot of failure in their life. Okay, good
Mhm.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. What about your? There is any plan for evening?
Nothing special as such.
Mm.
So how's life going on?
Life is going on very good, but this is a winter season, so I'm facing some, sore throat problem again and again.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
same thing with me. So
Okay.
I have heard, I have noticed as well that there are so many people, they have experienced this failure.
Mm.
We fear failure, and we have
Mm.
experienced this failure, even though we don't want to discuss it about it, and we just feel hesitated when it comes to discuss about and share about our own failure. So to me, failure is not opposite of success. It's a part of our journey. Sometimes it leads to some unseen, success and any kind of victory. So we should
Mm.
not take it so tiny or subtle thing. It's a kind of practice. Somewhere we are trying, whether
Mm.
we are facing failure, even though it just showcasing that somewhere we are trying, we are not
Mm.
sitting idle, and it's a kind of a stepping stone, because we are coming out from our comfort zone and we are doing something, even though we fear of this word failure. We fear failure. So what's your take on, do you have anything to share, like kind of stories, because you always recite story?
Mm. There are so many good stories, and they like great personalities. If we are reading their, their lifestyle, their journey, then we observe they had faced lot of failure in their life, and
Mhm.
after that they are getting, popularity.
Exactly.
So there is one person there, not yes, there was one person, Harland Sander. He was the founder of KFC. Do you know
Mm-hmm.
KFC brand?
Yes, I have heard.
It is very popular brand. So when he was, 11 or 12 years old, he was supported his family because they were very poor. And at the age of 40, he tried a restaurant, roadside restaurant. So
Yeah.
he started that kind of. Then he was, selling some chicken, and his chicken piece was very different from others because he was using 11 herbs. So their
Okay.
fragrance was very different, smell was very different. All was fascinated to eat his chickens. After some
Mm-hmm.
time, he was thinking, I should start my restaurant. Then he started his restaurant. But because of some law of US, they, closed their restaurant. At
Mm-hmm.
the age of 65, he was thinking, okay, I should start my chain because my chicken is very popular. Everybody
Mm-hmm.
like my chicken. So he suggested this idea to so many restaurant owners, but they reject this idea.
Mm-hmm.
And he knocked their door 1099 times.
Okay.
Yes. After that, he got success. One restaurant owner accepted his proposal. Then they
Mm-hmm.
started this KFC chain.
Okay.
And after that, now KFC is a renowned brand. Everybody
Mm-hmm.
know about this. So we can say, first of all, there is no age bar for success. And
Yes.
second thing, if you are starting a new work, it is not, like it is, we can say every time we are thinking, oh, we will get success. No. In some terms, sometimes we can get failure also. So we should be ready for failures also. Because every failure teach you one lesson.
Exactly.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So this
Yeah.
was my story.
Really nice. Really
But there
interesting.
are some person they always want instant success.
Mm-hmm.
Instant success is not possible. You can get success, but maintain your success is a big question. Maintaining your success. There are so
Exactly.
many, I can say, person or actors, actresses. They are not following trends. So they are, right now we don't know where are they. Their movies are also not coming. So
Mm-hmm.
in one movie, they are, popular overnight. But after that, nobody knows where they are.
Mm-hmm.
So getting success is a very, I can a simple thing, but maintaining
Mm-hmm.
success is a difficult task.
Yes, yes, exactly. Agree, agree. Once you have to learn riding, how to ride a bicycle, or how to ride a bike, let's imagine.
Mm,
So let's say you have come out from your comfort zone and you have started
mm,
learning learning bike, how to ride a bike.
mm,
Many times you are
mm,
going to fall, many times you are going to scrape your knees, and anyhow you're going to balance that. So what happened, like in between timing, duration that timing, what happened, the kind of efforts you have putting in and the dedication over there, and again when you were falling, you were standing up, thinking that this time I'm going to do this time I'm going to balance it. So this is also a kind of teaching. So failure sometimes teaches us, so it works as a teacher as well. We learn.
And there is another personality, Amitabh Bachchan.
Mhm.
He is very famous. We all are aware. But like he was trying in his young age, All India Radio. So that time he was rejected by AIR. They were saying your voice is not up to mark. It is
Yes, this
not good.
this this I have heard.
Yes. If
Yes.
he think, oh, I'm not good, my voice is not good. Now, then he again tried in Bollywood. And after that, everybody know he is big B of Bollywood. He is a famous name. So we should always, read these kind of motivating stories.
Yeah, and think about Thomas Edison.
Yes, he
When
also
asked,
failed
yeah,
after so many experiments.
thousand failed attempt. When he was asked
Yes.
about thousand failed attempts, so what he said, I didn't fail. I found
Mm,
100 ways to
mm,
work. So these
mm,
kind of resilience, feeling and an aspect of resilience, being resilience. So
mm,
it's a very big thing, I can say. You are somewhere sharpening yourself, carving yourself, your personality, your mindset, and your perception as well when you
mm,
have failed. So the next
mm,
stepping stone is to work upon that, and again making so many efforts, and don't give up, don't surrender, don't relinquish many things. So it depends on your dedication, your hard work, diligently you are
Last
doing it or
time
not.
there was not social media.
Hmm.
Nowadays, everyone is, posting their achievements on social media. This is also a reason. Sometimes we are pressurized. What people will say about us, what they will think about us. So if you are doing any, if you are planning for a good like business, any good thing, I think you
Hmm.
should never reveal with your near and dear ones and friends. You should, full focus on your work, because if you are posting every time your so many things, after some time you will, I can say, like, if you are not getting success, and they will criticize you.
Hmm. Yeah, this happens, people
Yes,
criticize us, and
yes.
as a result we
Sometimes
start
they are
comparing ourselves.
comparing us. Yes,
Yeah,
sometimes they are comparing us. Like their son has got good job, and you are again and again preparing for this job, but you are not getting success. Why?
hmm, these kind of allegations.
Yes,
Hmm.
these kind
Yeah,
of things. I think we should work secretly on our, task.
yeah, let the success speak on its own.
Hmm. Because there
Yeah,
is one quote. Um, Words speaks louder than, no. Action
the
speaks louder
action.
than your
Yeah,
words. Yes,
exactly,
this is
exactly.
proper quote. कि आपके जो काम होते हैं ना, वो आपके बोलने से ज्यादा बोलते हैं. इसलिए ज्यादा बोल
Exactly,
के काम मत करो, वर्क पे फोकस करो. You should
exactly.
100% focus on your work.
Yes, yes. And I have heard about the writer of the manuscript of Harry Potter. I think I'm not sure about her name, J.K. or R.K. Rowling. So she also her like this this story about this manuscript about Harry Potter. It was that time it was being rejected by 12 publishers,
mm,
and she attempted so many, the kind of efforts that time. And if imagine if she that time, if she had just given up. So what happened in her first attempt? If she had given up, so what happened? So the thing is, we always think of that you have also had to fight,
mm,
right? This you have, you should have a kind of mindset that
mm,
yes, I need to fight for this, whether I have
mm,
failed, but I need to fight for this, and again, to reach to that success. So first I need to fight. But there are so many people, they will pull your leg. They will
mm,
just lay down you, undermine you, by saying a lot of things, by passing derogatory comments, these kind of things, and comparing your efforts, like you are doing nothing, your efforts is not up to the mark, you are insignificant, you are not appearing well or confident, any kind of things they can just
mm,
impose on you.